What is up, everybody? It's gonna be a good one today. It's gonna be a good one. Welcome to the stream. 5 minute start time. I want to give a little break before we start, but we're about to get into it. I'm gonna be going over a couple basics. Gonna be going over what's going to be needed if you wanted to trade, the platforms that I'm using, and I want to just get into the habit of doing that when I start off my streams. Just because I know that people sometimes are confused when they hop on the lives. They don't know what the hell is going on. So we're gonna get into it. I'm just trying to get all these invitations out to everybody that told me that they wanted to tune in. Shout out to everybody that's been watching. I appreciate you all, and we're about to get into it. So before we start it up, just a quick little synopsis. Today we're going to be back testing, and back testing means that I'm going to be using a specific strategy in the markets that I've been using. I'm going to be testing it in the past. The software that I'm using, is called Think Markets, and this is their platform. I'm going to go ahead and drop this in the chat. If you want to go ahead and try this out yourself, you're more than welcome to. The link is in the chat. The chat should be replayed, and if you don't see it, it should be on the screen somewhere. I don't think I got the chat on the screen. Gotta fix that. But yeah, so this is the platform I'm using, and I'm going to be trading Forex specifically. And when someone says that they're trading Forex, that means that they're trading the financial markets, the world financial markets. So today specifically, I'm going to go ahead and trade Gucci Brody. I'm going to go ahead and be trading USDJPY, which stands for the US dollar versus the Japanese yen. That's what that means. Nickname is UJ, so as you can see right there, UJY0UJY. The O is a 0. And pretty much we're gonna get back into it. So as I was saying, this is the platform I'm using. If you want to download the platform, you can go ahead and test it out yourself. They offer a variety of markets to look at, from crypto to indices to the Forex to even stocks. So it's a great tool to practice. What this allows me to do is, instead of me trading for a few weeks in the market, I can go ahead and I can trade for an hour here, but I can simulate about 2 weeks to even a month or a year in the markets. So that's what the software allows me to do. If you want to go ahead and trade Forex yourself, this is what you're going to need. You're going to need a broker. Number one, you're going to need a broker. So the broker that I use is Hugo's Way. I'm going to go ahead and drop this in the stream once again. It should be in the chat. And Hugo's Way is my preferred broker. It is who I use. If you know some better ones, more power to you. Definitely inquire about better ones, and if you have any better recommendations, let me know in the chat or in the comments, for everybody else so they can know and they can tune in. So now that you have a broker, you create an account, you go through all the verifications, you load your broker. Once you load your broker, you're gonna have to transfer that money that you loaded into the broker onto your trading platform, your wallet. So always remember, once you load the broker, you got to transfer it from inside the broker to your trading account, which is all done in Hugo's Way. One day I'll go into a deep tutorial on that, but we're not doing that right now. I want to trade at least for an hour today, and we're going in about 10 minutes right now. So that's the broker that I use. The application that you're going to need to hook your broker up to is MetaTrader 4. You can go ahead and download MetaTrader 4 right here. You can search it in the App Store, in the Google Play Store, and then of course you can go get the link in the chat right here. So once you have your broker, you're gonna get your login credentials from Hugo's Way, and you're gonna go ahead and be able to capitalize on multiple markets. Hugo's Way does offer crypto also and indices, so very good broker, and they have also some good payments on like indices and crypto. Some brokers don't pay you the right amount, so like if you clap a Nas trade on the wrong broker, they might not pay you that much. And I seen that in Hublot. My guy, he was trading Nas and he had like a standard, but they was paying him like low money. And he was like, yeah, the broker, there's like a handicap on certain pairs so that, you know, the broker won't get clapped. So that's MetaTrader 4, and that's all you're gonna need. Before we hop into the markets, my markups going bananas this past couple days, not gonna lie to you. This is what we're looking for in UJ, and just off of what we see right here, I mean, you know, it really respected this zone right here. If you look at the crosshair on the screen, it respected the zone right here. I'm gonna go down to the 1 hour, see what that was looking like. You know, we got a couple taps. Tapped it a couple times, that respected that area right there. I'm probably gonna clean this up in a little bit. I'm not gonna do it right now, but overall though, you know, we missed that move, and I was watching it too. Like, you see this markup right here? That's nutty. See this that move specifically right there? Clap season. How much it dropped for? Let's see. It dropped for about 30 pips already, 32 pips. So, you know, that would have been a decent little entry off the 5 minute. The priority is to the primary goal is to have tight stop losses on all my entries. So that's what we're looking for. So we go back to the 4 hour. You know, this is where we're at. I need price to come down a little more, and the market's gonna start moving also for Tokyo. So I'm definitely keeping an eye on it. Just looking at it real fast, just taking a second. Be getting zoned out, as y'all can see. So we're gonna let UJ breathe for a little. We're gonna go to GJ. We're gonna go to the 4 hour. This is what GJ is looking like based off of what I had. It's kind of in an area of interest right now in a way. This 50 was the 50 of this move, I believe. What is this right here? I don't know what this is. I don't know what that is. But yeah, we're coming to structure right now. Price pretty much is fully retraced. Price fully retraced. Let's go back to the 4 hour real fast. We're in a bullish market. How's the dollar looking real quick? Dollar's gaining momentum. Sheesh, look at that bullish move. It's GBP/JPY. Point of interest. This line, I don't know what this line is right here. I can't really justify it. I don't even know what it means. Let's try the 5 minute. It's fake. It's like a fake imbalance right there. I call them fake imbalances because you see the price to the left of it. I think that makes it invalid. You know what I'm saying, if you go right here, right there, you extend that out. Put the imbalance on that. Extend it right. bust a 50 on this real quick. Drop a horizontal ray down. Delete this, delete that. I don't know what this line is, bruh. Delete this. The line is clean, but I don't know what the line is. So we got that little imbalance area we found off the 5 minute. I'm gonna go back to the 1 hour real quick and see how I respected that imbalance real quick. So it broke through the imbalance. Let's take that extension off. I did a whole freaking thing instead of a what's name. Alright, whatever. So what we looking for? This is the structure on the 4 hour. Well, no, it's at structure on the 4 hour. Is that what that line was? Let's see. This is structure on the 4 hour. Yeah, it's tapping that too. Go to the 5 minute. What is this, an imbalance? So this is the imbalance. This first line. This first line is imbalance. And then this second line is structure. Right? So that's structure. This is structure also. Like this is structure on the 1 hour. This is structure on the 4 hour where we're at. With that being said, we're watching this off the 1 minute. You get 1 second. That would have been nice. Put this over here so I can see my viewers. Alright. Off the 1 minute. Right? So this is where we're at. Okay? If you wanted to take a position right here, it closed above. It hit it. It closed above already right here. Technically. Right? Close above it on the 1 minute. I want to kind of wait for a break of structure on the 1 minute. I needed to like close above this. My line's so thick. If we could get it close above that, that would be dope. Yeah, I'll probably be looking for a buy. And then this is what our position would look like. We're just hitting targets. Damn it. It's too low time frame. Alright. We could do something like that. Like right there. 4.5 pips for like 30. Watch this on the 1 minute. This is a live trade. If I do take it, but it's playing around that structure right there. off the 4 hour. That's where we got that from. You see, low, high, low, high. Now it's getting back to that same low. So we had a break above. So now we're gonna look for, you know, closes above or below on structure. So based off the 4 hour, it did that. Based off the 1 hour, it's at that same point that we just marked up. Then we drop down to the 15. It's kind of like it's testing right now. Let's go down to the 5. The 5 looked like it's testing perfectly. It's still testing. And then you go down to the 1 minute. It's really just playing around there. See? And the best part is it's not even playing on it because there's a little gap right here. You understand? Right there. This little gap in price, that's good. My entry, I'm gonna go for a buy stop. Let's see if I can get a clean ass entry, because MetaTrader 4 be disrespecting your boy. So we're going for a buy stop, USDJPY, price. We're gonna do that. Price is gonna be 156. Oh, this is GJ, not USDJPY. GJ 156,805. Stop loss 156,760. And then TP, that's a big stop. I'm gonna do a 3 pip stop. 3 pip stop? That's too much. We'll do the 4.5. 4.5 pip stop at 156,760. And then TP is gonna be 157,105. That's a buy stop, so I'm just waiting. You're trading with me, you're playing with me, so I'm gonna just execute because you just freaking flew on me. Alright, I executed. It put me in at 156,824. Sheesh, 2 pips on me, yo. It's always 2 pips, bro. 156,824. 156,824. Okay. That's our position right there. Gonna be watching this. In gold for whatever the hell reason right now. I'm about to just get out of gold. Cause what the hell? I'm gonna just let go rock, whatever happens. But yeah. So overall, this was a live trade that I'm taking on this live session. I guess if I could give myself any feedback already, would be for me to wait for a close above this area, which I did not do. So shame on me. That's one thing. I should have waited for like something like that, something like this to happen, and then a pip or two would have made the difference on like a half a pip, on like more security of your trade. So if you're joining right now, we're looking at GJ. It's testing structure, and right now I dissected it down to the 1 minute, and we may be looking at a buy side for GJ. We're just waiting to see what happens. I was looking at USDJPY. I don't really like what I see on UJ at the moment, but it's all good. I'm gonna let UJ breathe right now. Let me just clean this up real fast. So like we're gonna take this, we're gonna make this tighter. It's POI. I'm gonna delete this box just because we have all the parameters for that already. Um, go ahead and so that's the high. The low would be right here. Let me just mark that up real fast. And my low is usually the lowest, the closest wick to the box, and then, well, not the box, price, the closest wick to price, and the wick and then price. That's how I usually do my little supply and demand zones. I try to keep them tight though. Then UJ, this top right here. Actually, I should be doing this on the daily, so let's just go up one real quick. Reset this. I think that's why it looks a little, yeah, see, daily. Damn, I'm gonna leave the daily that big. I'm gonna make it this big though. That's better. That's the daily. And then I like this little floor right here, and I'll make that the daily. The other daily, just for a tighter analytics. Go down to the 4 hour. Yeah, see, I really like this little doji right here. I'm not gonna touch it because that's the daily. So we're looking for this POI right now more than anything, and this is the 50 of this move right here. So it tapped the 50 twice, and reacted perfectly off the 50 actually. So number opportunity. Let's change its color, make it thicker, right? So if you look what happened, just based off of like our analysis, you feel me? If you was watching the market, you could have got in somewhere like here. Take the extension off for you guys. You could have got in like somewhere like right there. You could have took that position. If you didn't like that position and you wanted to like wait for a retest, you could have took that position for the buy, and you would have been up right now. And it hit the target that we had in position already. And if you would have gotten like right here, you know, we're looking at the stop below the low, so a little bit like right here, 13 pips for 40, 1 to 3 trade, 1 to 4. So you know, it all depends. But that's what happened though. It hit the 50 twice, respected it. It hit that zone, respected it. We could have caught this sell also. And right now we're gonna just wait, you know. We're gonna trade zone to zone today. So this session might end up being just a live market, who knows? Because I'm on here for 28 minutes already and I have not back tested, not a damn thing. But it's cool. I think we might start back testing UJ too, because I think that's a good move. UJ has been really good to me over the past few days. Yeah, so that's my gold markup from the other night. Clapped too, surprisingly. So I gotta kind of figure that out. Really figure that out and see what's going on. Let me delete this. All right, so that's UJ, GJ. I think we came back down. Yeah, did I get stopped out? I got stopped out. I got stopped out on GJ. My goodness, I didn't put my stop. That's not good. Or maybe everything happens for a reason. 5 minutes. Maybe everything happens for a reason, you know? It's coming back up. I'll probably put my stops in now, to be completely honest with you. Like, I'd rather get stopped out. Sheesh, I didn't want to do that. I'd rather get stopped out, you know? I'd rather get stopped out than for the market to keep going the wrong way, you know? Because then you're really screwed. Really screwed. So we'll keep this open. Yeah, we'll keep this open. We'll keep it open. We'll keep it small. We'll keep it behind me. I'm crying. Right? Let me see. Oh no. Right? And we're gonna just keep this open right here. Why not? Right? Now we get to the main market. GJ, it's respecting the structure, so I ain't mad at her. I guess we on the 1 minute too. Like, I'm really sniping the shit out of this pair. But see what happens, ladies and gentlemen. Entries at 18156.824. Yo, they threw me crazy high though. My goodness. No stops. My TP. Let me edit my TP. 157.105. TP 157.105. Alright. GJ's definitely pulling back up for the Winskis. Trying to make it nice and clear for y'all. Oof. Sheesh. Big sheesh. Alright. Let's get into these markets, y'all. Sheesh. I was doing a lot last night. Let's go to the 4 hour. Let's take off sessions. Yeah, I like this. What's the daily looking like? Yeah, okay, daily. Okay. We're 0 and 0. Okay. We'll drop down from the daily. We have our tops, our highs and lows mark. We're gonna drop down at 4 hour now. We're gonna see where we're at in structure, right? Just in regards to structure, I don't know what the hell this box is, but you got 2 points in structure that we're focusing on, and we're gonna see which one is more important. But we got this bottom right here. Got this bottom. I don't know what that is, so I don't want to necessarily delete it. But you got this bottom and this top right here. Right? Okay. Top and the bottom. That's structure for the 4 hour. Alright, go down to the 1 hour. So I was looking at, it's a little tighter right there on the 1 hour. That's technically the high. But those are like the wicks, low keys, or whatever. Let's play it out. Let's give it a little room to breathe real quick. Excuse me. And we got our imbalance marked up. Let me delete this actually. This box. We have the imbalance marked up. So it's testing structure. I'm bugging out. I need to be dropping time frames. It broke above right here. It's not structured though, but it broke above right there. As a break above. If I were to be looking for a position here, it's funny because this is the same position from yesterday that I didn't get into, but it would look something like this. I can't even do shorts or longs on this, I forgot, which is kind of trash. Excuse me, sorry. Date range, price range, cycle lines, date and price range, quadrant lines, pitch forex, pencil, pencil two, what the fudge? Like these little spades. Pardon me, everybody. I'm just trying to see if they have a buy or sell tool so you can properly put your stops and sells, stops and TPs. Yeah, you got none of that. Excuse me. They don't have none of that. But pretty much, your stop, it's the same thing. It's literally this move right here that we just did. Boom, boom, and boom. I'm gonna take it this time though. Let's get these points marked up. Yeah, what up, Pat? Welcome to the stream, my mans. Right now we back testing USDJPY. About to get righteous. I've been smacking the markets low key. Oh man, it's GJ, yo. As y'all can see, it's going bearish on me, but it's playing massive games. That's the issue too. I'm looking at this shit on the 1 minute, like it's swinging high, it's swinging low, crazy. But whatever. So right now we're about to get into this position. We're going for a buy on USDJPY. The stop loss is the 109.823 area, and then take profit is 109.989. The reason why we're getting into this position is because we broke above this retest. So it's nothing else we could do but just wait and see what happens. So I'm gonna lower the speed a little bit, drop this down to the 5 minute, and that's what it's looking like on the 5 minute. It got this other candle that broke, but that other candle is low key bearish as fuck. Excuse me. Boom. Look at that shot up though. Alright, so we're a pip in profit. It's moving like very robot-y. And then our stops aren't at the low, they're at the under the previous low. Just to give your trade some room to breathe. And what we're looking for right now is for us to get like 15 pips in profit, so we could go ahead and move our stop loss into profit. So if we get stopped out, it's a win still. I like these breaks up. I need a good break though. Wow. Just came back from Florida. Shit was a blast. That's fucking awesome, bro. I actually need to go out there soon. We got stopped out. And it happens, like, it's important to pay attention to my stops though. Like 3 pip stop, I'll take that, bro. I'll take that. Let's go to the daily. I'm 0-1 for the day. Back to the drawing board. Let's let this breathe a little. I seen you with the AKs and the shotties though. doing your thing. Sheesh, bro. Okay. All right. Let me see something, GJ. Let me see something, GJ. Break above. Right there. You wanna go for a buy? Stop right here. GP. Same GP. Let's see. And the reason why we trade in the zone is when it comes into a zone like that, it comes in and then it leaves again. Those are good signs. It's going to probably go to that next target area. And that's all we're doing is just testing how to find better areas. So like if you look at GJ, I would have got stopped out, but you know, we're keeping the stop a little loose right now. We got to learn the pair, you know. I'll tell you one thing, it's moving right now. So let's see how it's looking though. It's still up there. Huge bullish candles on GJ right now. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Place a buy, position invalid. TP 109.987. Alright, let's play back. Usually fucking me up there. Alright. It's fucking 2-0. 4-2. Man, Florida sounds nice though, man. This is my family. Let me let this breathe. Let me get that out of this area. Let's just breathe out. You see the move, how it happened though? Came in here, stop me here, stop me here. Came back in. Let me see something. The whole point of backtesting is just so you can see like, you know, what works, what doesn't work, and more importantly, what the market was doing. It's like that's a better load. I don't know what the fuck this shit. Look at this. Alright, let's go back to we broke the daily high, came back, retested it. So we're just looking for that same rule. We're looking for a break above or below, and then we're gonna get our positions after that once we get that break above or below. So right now it hit that, we're gonna lower the time, and we're gonna run it up again. It technically broke below right here. If someone was in for a sell, Their position would be right here. And that's another thing I got a problem with. I'm very biased. If you look at my track record for like the past couple of days or whatever, you'll see that I'm mostly one-sided when I look at the market, and that's bad. So like back testing, that's why it's good, because I usually get in for buys, not too many sells. UJ coming back around for us. All right. Testing that area. Trying to break through. That wick is a lot of selling pressure right there. This is a daily high, by the way, that it's playing around with. Look, I would have got stopped out if I was on the sell right there. I'll get a nice little break above that box. I need a full break above the box, no touch. Like right here. Right there, is this one? Ooh, the fucking hammer. See? Yeah, with that hammer, fuck that. I need a nice move. That's technically it right there. But it's a bearish close above, you understand? Kind of want like a bullish close above. You know what I'm talking about? See that shit? It's a little bearish, a little fake bearish engulfing. That was a nice little candle. These two close above. But the best setup. Okay, that's not the daily high. Let me see my goddamn MT4. That's structure. Yeah, that's structure, boy. We might have some buys there. Maybe have some buys there. Some things to buy. Look at how Kano is just respecting his line. Yeah, that's a nice little fucking line there. Alright. Excuse me. Maybe we could be looking for a buy to that zone. How many pips is that? Pips? Sheesh. Is that right? Back in that zone. Excuse me. Where's structure at, man? Structure down there. Alright. Okay, I understand. So pretty much, price is making highs. It made this lower high, new high, lower high, and I was testing this new high. And we can see a break like we've been watching this whole time. We could be looking for potential buys, but it's definitely playing around in that area. Even in real life, it's playing around in that area. Let's see what happens. Um, Give me some feedback too, guys. Let me know how the lives are coming on. I try to structure this one a little different. I pretty much want to have it where, like, if you watch this, you can kind of just learn, kind of start off on your own, see how my live trades went, see how my back testing went. And my back testing has been like, it's getting slightly better. Today we're 0-2. It happens. I'm not worried at all. But I'm definitely aware. And then you got my live positions on screen. So I think that's pretty dope because people don't usually show that. Let's just see what happens right now. I'm getting clapped for sure. Excuse me. Definitely should have waited for a break on the 1 minute. Should have waited for a break on the 1 minute. But it's okay. It's perfectly fine. It's 12 a.m. So let's see what's up with UJ. Testing this box. Nice break above. Touch the box though. Break above. This little shit right here. Now 1 minute. Doing too much, I guess. 3 or 4 minutes. Right there for me. Let's try this again. I'm gonna enter the position now because when you change time frames, yeah, it starts acting real funny. I'm gonna do TP below, stop loss below the low. So when I say below the low, this is the low. This is technically the low too. That's the low too. I'm gonna go below this low. Let's just see how many pips that is. So put it right here. Put this one. Yeah. 20 pips. This is probably like 2 pips. Stop. Some shit. Stop loss. 172. TP. 10. 172. Looking good, y'all. Okay. 10 pips in profit. GJ busting in real life too. Thankful for everything I've accomplished. I will continue to work harder every day on all of my endeavors. We 5 pips in profit with UJ. Discord is getting annoying. All these notifications. Alright. I would usually put my stop like right here. Too close though. Somewhere like right here. Stop loss. I wanted to push a little higher. Let's see what's up. Look at what I got stopped out right there, you see? It's like the fake structure in that time frame. Another thing I'm gonna try is, we're gonna start incorporating break evens. So I'm gonna move my stop loss and profit. Shout out to my guy Rel, killing the markets. Shout out to the winner's circle. Shout out to the academy, the whole gang. Shout out to everybody. We're moving our stops way in profit now. This is an automatic winning trade. So we're one and two tonight so far. GJ in real life is smacking, as you can see, to the right here. That trade in the middle. There you go. That trade right here is real, like real life money. So let's see how that goes. I got stopped out, bruh. Oh my goodness. 1 and 2 for the day. We're gonna incorporate break evens into this. So we're gonna do. Oh, we're gonna do. One and two. That's annoying. I got stopped out. That's annoying. My goodness. What did I miss here? I missed something here. Tried to retest this fake retest. Oof, look at that tap down there. Shit moving too fast, I'm losing entries. Higher time frame to see where we at. Daily. We're in a bullish market though, like all this fake ass counter trend shit going on. Damn, it hit that shit. Was that the entry that I missed? That shit perfectly. Look at that, bruh. That shit went dummy. Sheesh. Alright, we crack UJ, GJ on the 1 minute. Let's go up to the 5. We cracked it on the 5. Let's go up. Yeah, that's a TP right there. Alright, let's see what happens with GJ. Let that marinate. So we're looking for this now on GJ. We're looking for this break right here. We have to continue move to the upside. Oh my goodness, I missed this move. This time 2 minutes. Let's go back down to the 1 hour. Yeah, we gotta see a push to the upside. I knew it, bro. Alright, guys. I'll keep you updated on everything that's going on. We got a solid stream today. Had some good back testing. Solid entry right now. Let's see what happens. I'll definitely post updates on Instagram. And, I hope you guys have a blessed day. Another blessed evening. And I hope you guys are profitable in the markets. If you have any questions, definitely go ahead and feel free to message me on social media. These are all of the platforms. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't, and leave some comments on feedbacks. I appreciate everyone that's been showing love. It's making a huge difference, and it keeps me inspired to do these videos. I enjoy it. I'm learning a lot, and I definitely want to just help you guys as much as I can. And another thing I want to just throw in there is I tried to change up and went over some stuff. I'll keep that same energy when I'm starting off the videos. Just go on little fake tutorials and shit. And I'll just try to go over more things that'll be beneficial that you guys should know. So I hope you enjoyed the stream, and thanks for watching.